HIV is no longer a death sentence.
Akusiyona into ebulalayo i-HIV. According to my knowledge,
Packaged the diagnosis.
ngakuthatha kahle lokho
And I
kwakushona.
hope you do it with whatever life challenges you have.
Noma yiphi inselelo nayo. I said,
nothing happens to us, abantwana bami.
Ayikho into enzeka kimi.
Everything happens for us.
Kwenzekela
For the
kuthina
later goal of abantwana bami.
ukuze kuvele
Sekwazi
ukuba
ukuthi namhlanje
today,
eyenzakalayo,
what is happening
yenzakala
today?
ukuthi senzeni ngayo.
What must we do with this?
Akala ngokuxolisa mhlawumbe some of you ngiyazi ukuthi kuba nezinto eziphazamisayo masilaleli message. Let me remove the elephant in the room.
I'm so sorry.
Ngifake unapologetically dope. Civic campaign yokususa impilo poverty. Isemsebenzini. We move around giving message of hope. The new campaign is about removing imperial poverty. Abantwana bethu abakwazi ukuluza amalanga esikolweni because we used to enter and not understanding ukuthi menstruation akuyona ihess. So kule campaign sabaleka ke mina nosisi wami umngani wami business partner usisibonye Khadele usishaya bisho kunala ngela khona makusethi so wathi ngiyakulandela ngihamba nawe ngiyathanda kakhulu so I donated 200 blankets eThekwini Community Church. Lekhaza ngibale yona opportunity yokuchaza uzazisa. Lekasi labantu abathi I can only give the blankets if umfundisi uzongishekisana. Benza nje what's right. She just show me your friends and show me your future. So uyeleke back to indaba enginayo namhlanje. Walese iyenzakala lesi first December. And in message this year, the theme is about collective responsibility. The challenges that are happening in relation to HIV. So, we are the light for the world, right? So, I'd like to say to you, 28 years ago, when the doctor said, unfortunately, you have 2 years to live, I then decided, like any red car, to the manufacturer. So, and God said, nah, we have what to do that. Now, here's a task. What do we do, Malay? And Jehovah said, I'm glad you brought it to me. Here's what we are going to do. You are going to go and be teacher of nations. You are going to go and be light for the world. You are going to host one of the biggest talk shows in the Southern Hemisphere. The Metro FM talk show, because I did not start the journey of Hlakaniphakwa. I started the journey, Nathi Jehovah, and what are we doing with this? How have you done this over these years? And he made me simple. My steps on daily basis are ordered by God. And who's one when you allow your steps to be ordered by God, this is what happens. It was many years ago. I started talking about HIV from the place of seeking sympathy. I was knowing my status, and knowing my status, I was encouraging others to know their status. And my message was not about just telling people to have your test and not giving them information. And information was simply packaged in saying, now that you know what you know, first thing is to remove personal self-stigma. Because when you stigmatize yourself,
you listen to a gossiper.
We are moves of what you see. When people gossip, can we hear them? But it's the things we say to ourselves. uzobuza ukuthi uyasazi status yasaba bazongifleya.
I'm afraid people will laugh at me.
God does not gossip.
If
Mawusazi status sakho umbuzo ukuthi baba what do we do?
you know this,
Let's apply any challenge that you are facing.
nobody even said over there now.
So uyayithatha le nto ukuthi baba what do we
You
do?
take it to God and say, oh, send that money.
You know there are 365 ways in which God asks for us to ask.
Put it in the Bible. 65.
That's it's like whatever.
No.
I know life will be challenging.
Yeah,
I encourage you to come to me. So when I did the coming to Jesus, I was saved in 1997 and tested in 1998. About my status in 1998. And today I have a beautiful baby daughter and HIV.
But doesn't have HIV.
Glory to Jesus. And in my talking, I go back to it was never about seeking sympathy. So, Jehovah,
Then God said,
we will touch nations. Well, the world will recognize you, Brother Rice. Not because you are HIV positive, but because you will use grace and gratitude to show abantu ukuthi uma uzileta uzithwale and bring them together. I will show off what I do. So let's start. This is 28 years ago.
What happened?
Every year is a reminder for me of God's grace. To you it may be tragedy, but to me it's always a reminder.
What a job
Yeah, kujuzwa njalo. So when I looked at my calendar, Baba Mighty, Vela, Uzobingelela, I did not plan any message, but I remembered Uchi for many years. Each time Mangzile KZN, if I come, Uzobingelela, and the money to send to Jehovah. I am still here. God is still doing amazing things. I don't know how many of you follow me on social media. You will know, Uchi. I live the kind of life that more food I will page down. When I left one with the
you ask,
and you are amongst the privileged few that most booze are not booze or loyal. You get the answers from me.
You might say maybe
is like a feeling.
my life is exactly like a feeling.
And a feeling that shows God's grace.
If you remember this,
This is what happens.
the one who's empty.
So, Baba, the update.
The update,
The things that I've done thus far, for those who were not preview. When I moved away from radio because I felt like I said everything that I needed to say, and faith does not pay our bills. And I wanted to find out how do we turn this message into a blessing that will bless generations to come. God planted a seed of 7 streams of income. So I'm quasi to be representing the kingdom. Worry about my debts at the end of the day. Some pain before because some kingdom that doesn't exist. And man in kingdom. I want to remind you, our God. This is the same God that created stars and galaxies, seas. I've been blessed. I've been blessed by positivity in the world. How incredible is this God? Things that we take for granted. So this creator of all these things
He knows you by name.
Is mindful of you.
Which
my result that my best creation. This is my favorite child. my brother, my sister, Mama, Baba, who's biggest feeling.
Look at yourself.
I'm the best thing since sliced bread. And when you confess this with your mouth, confess with your mouth and say, I am this. Everyone else has no choice but to tap into that which you should say. I don't know if you because that's what God said I am. Right? Mani malani chibochane susikhoma uzulu yala uvuma my ancestors are demons. So olwami ukhona ukuthi I show up knowing who I am and whose I am. When I step into any stage, whether it's international or local, ngifika ngizazi.
I know who I am.
So I encourage you, my brothers and sisters, when you step on any opportunity, step on any stage, step up knowing who and whose you are. Now you are representing ECC. Now you are representing Bishop too. Represent well. Because about my born, about what the young guy said, when they said this one is from ECC. Hey, over there, andibonile leya seliziyoni nalokuthi esontweni. Hey, izinto zenzakala esontweni. Nibonile ke? And how we represent our churches. Uthini uNkulunkulu masibhekile senza lezi? Be that one. That is different. That mabebheka bathi I see God in heaven. Ngiyabona because ngempela uyarepresent.
I can see because you are.
So I moved from uba umsasazi, being a broadcaster. I was appointed in the presidential office to do corporate affairs, led by the late Jackson Tembu. Mangena kwezepolitiki. I can realize which is not for people who were born with a microphone and something. And I realized that we are in the highest office in the land. But the highest office, not my place, not with what you have planted in me. The seed that you have placed in me. So that's not fertile ground. So can we move to a different platform so that our seed continues to spread? Because remember, God, our wish is God's command.
He wants us to speak.
Somebody once asked me, if there's one thing that you would ask God, what would you do? And I said to Papa, why did you trust us so much? What is because I know what's in you. You just need to know me for yourself. So in me knowing what's in me, from the presidential office, I joined an inside investment company where we have like different companies where we're starting a journey to encourage South Africans, black South Africans, to begin to move the black brand amongst us. Many of you have medical aid, discovery. Now that says money, was a shareholder.
They will invite us to become a shareholder.
So I joined an UNSA investment company where we're taking the businesses that are owned by UNSA and getting South Africans to open their own companies. Sibuya kule generation yaka, my mother was a kitchen girl. My father was a garden boy. Just move the man. Just only warm. We have farmers, we have land. And I'm encouraging you, my brother, my sister, we are at a time, we're at crossroads, where without God, it's impossible to do this life thing. Without God, it's impossible to do this life thing, especially with 2026. esihambeni.
enyakeni
Many
ka-2020.
of us are comfortable with being employees. That's time
Esikhathini.
Qala ibhizinisi lakho.
Start your own business.
Lo mayithengisa ama-toilet paper, lo omunye makathengise ama-toilet. Lo omunye mayithengisa ukudla, lo omunye makathengise
Somewhere
indawo.
is selling this.
Because we need to circulate the black rand amongst
Kufanele
us.
le mali ihambe komunye nomunye.
So I've said everything I needed to say about
Sengishilo
HIV.
konke lokhu.
Manje sengifuna sonke sibe nomcebo.
I want us now to have
It doesn't make sense ukuthi we still wait for isalary.
ngeke kuzathi
Hayi, kwenza ngeke.
uholo.
We are children, sons and daughters of the kingdom.
Sinabantwana basembusweni.
Asingeneni manje in the kingdom.
Let us enter the kingdom and let's make it.
If there's anything that you will remember this World AIDS Day, message Dr. Salda was 28 years ago.
Umlayezo wami nawo ukuze
I
bakathoke.
became famous and hosting the biggest
Ngakhuluma ngokwazi.
but mahamba mawubheke balance
Kodwa
yakho.
mawufika lapha
The
ebhange,
name was famous but the balance was not
ayikho
famous.
ibhalansi esebheke ingahambisani.
And it was time for me to take the networks, turn them into network.
Bese ngiyasusa-ke lokhu ingabalamusha la ekuxhumaxhumeni
So
ngokwezomnotho.
I'm an executive at 360 Global Solutions.
Kulaphaya
Nyamaza positive talk, nathenga incwadi, nathenga ama-CDs. Positive talk is still a global brand. Ihamba ikhuluma kwindawo zonke. Just 2 days ago, I was in a global summit speaking to people in the UK and Europe, India, you name them. God shining the spotlight on this African child who was once speaking. So then ukusho ukuthi izihlobo zami, I know ukuthi isikhathi is not on our side, this was not part of the program, but ubaba bayithatha i-microphone ndodana nikhumbuze osisi bakho nobhuti bakho ukuthi muhle kangakanani njengoba. I cannot pass that opportunity. Yasho impela ngithi ngiyonkosi awuvumihle awuvumifaithful awuvumifaithful